Hey guys, Tyson here back again for another video on the YTSI GTV series. Today we're talking traffic safety, and the topic I want to kind of focus on today is rear end collisions. Now, this is something that drives home with me and kind of resonates with me. If you know me and you know my story, you know that I was in a rear end collision where a concrete truck hit my car from behind and went completely over the top of it. So that's what's left me paralyzed in a wheelchair. So this is something that kind of strikes a chord with me. And I just want to talk about that today. Rear end collisions are one of the most common types of accidents that we have on the roadways. And look, we have a lot of new drivers that tune into this channel and watch these videos. And so I think it's important for us to just cover some traffic safety tips. So you're going to see a series of videos coming up that's going to be traffic safety tips, and some things that you can take with you and help you be a better driver. So 4 things to kind of watch out for rear end collisions. Now this could be you're driving a car and somebody's following you too close. They come up from behind you and they hit your car from behind. But this can also be you driving, following too closely, not paying attention, whatever the case may be, and then you were in the car in front of you. So it goes both ways. But 4 tips to avoid a rear end collision. First one is keep your distance. This is something that I always try to do when I'm out there driving, so I'll keep a good distance between me and the car in front of me. And I'm thinking a good 3 car lengths. And what this does is it gives you time to react. If they have to slam on their brakes, it's going to give you time to slow down and avoid hitting them from behind. 2, drive strategically. That's avoid situations that's going to force you to have to jump on your brakes real quick. You know, like we just talked about, give yourself some distance and drive strategically. 3rd one is don't get distracted. This is true for everything, especially in this case. I mean, most of your rear end collisions happen because people are distracted. Just like in my situation, the concrete truck hit my car from behind, and I have to believe 100% that is avoidable. If he's paying attention to what he's doing, he doesn't hit my car from behind and the car wreck doesn't happen. And the 4th part of this is don't drive drowsy or under the influence of anything. Pretty self-explanatory, but guys, if you're tired or if you're under the influence of anything, your reaction time is going to be slower. So that's 4 tips that you can take with you to help avoid rear end collisions. Guys, be safe out there, and until next week, we'll have another video. And again, as always, if you have questions, you have comments, something you want to see on this channel, shoot them over to me. I'll do my best to get it put into video, get it covered right here on this channel. You guys be safe and take care.